Best options trading experts to learn from on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick rundown on who I believe are the best options trading experts to learn from. And I'm not going to include myself in this list because I think that would be pretty self-serving. So I'm going to give you 6 of them in no order. So all of them are really good. I'm not ordering them or anything like that. And I'm leaving myself out. So without further ado, let's get started. First, tastytrade. Now, while I definitely don't agree with all of tastytrade's methodology, again, selling option premium is a great way to earn consistent profit. So tastytrade has a ton of resources and a ton of free information. 2, projectfinance. Now, the guy from projectfinance, I believe he used to work at tastytrade, and I think that his brother still does. His videos are very well made, and they're relatively simplistic in nature. I think it's a great resource for beginning options traders, and he usually has very good advice. 3, Carl Dom shows his profit and loss statement every single month. He is someone that I found to be incredibly honest, incredibly responsive to his students. He works really hard. He's a good person. So definitely Real P&L is a great resource. 4, InTheMoney. I've done a review on him on YouTube and I find him to be incredibly intelligent. He speaks very well. I like his videos. I think that it's a great resource if you are interested in learning about options trading. 5, Shihab's blog. Shihab is very good at ruthlessly critiquing his own trades and analyzing what he could do better, what he can improve upon. He keeps a spreadsheet of all his trades. He goes through his profit and loss, and I think that he's a great resource that you can learn from. And finally, 6, JC Gilbert. JC Gilbert is a young trader. I believe he's from France. He is someone that I also did an interview with. I believe that he's incredibly intelligent, and I think that he has a very bright future in the industry as a trader. David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. You can click the notification bell as well, and that way you're notified about all our future videos. I appreciate your attention, and please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on which of these 6 channels that I mentioned is your favorite, or if I'm forgetting someone, then let me know. Thank you.